Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you about how to disable the blocks on the widgets and put back the classic view. I realize that a lot of people, they are struggling to use the blocks. They are kind of not user friendly. So today we are going through on how to disable it and activate the classic that we are used to already. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you can get notified when we have new videos. Okay, first of all, let's go to plugins, then add new. Then let's search for disable blocks. This plugin, it will come on the top, the first one. You see it's got more than 600,000 installations. It was done by Jeff Starr. You see, when I look at this plugin, this shows that a lot of people, they are not interested in blocks, especially on the widgets, even in the pages and posts, because blocks were introduced not long. It's not long they were introduced, but look at this plugin, how many installations does it have so far. Okay, let's go ahead and install. And let's activate. Okay, now let's go to settings. Then you click on disable Gutenberg. So if you just save it, it will only disable blocks on pages and posts. But now we want to disable it as well on the widgets. So we click here, disable block widgets and enable classic widgets. Then we save. Now let's go back to our widgets. Now we are back to our classic widgets. So thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.